yung audience, I could hear a little murmur. Yung parang, and then, akala ko there was something happening. Biglang I realized they were all smiling, looking at me. When I sang the first line, Mr. DJ, everybody was like, oh, yeah, yung ganun na.
It's time for our Request Express, and on top of my list is the newest single from Sharon Cuneta.
Requested over the line and dedicated to all the hopeless romantics out there. Here's a new single from the newest pop sensation.
Here's the newest hit from the newest singer, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Eto na, #1 request nyo ngayong linggo. Sigurado ako, iiduluhin nyo ang batang ito. Mula kay Sharon Cuneta, ang Mr. DJ!
Mr. DJ. Eto na, si Sharon Cuneta with Mr. DJ.
Nung lumabas Mr. DJ, thank you kagad sa ano. Nagte-thank you kagad sa DJ. Kumbaga, sumisip-sip kagad, umpisa pa lang.
Nung ni-record namin, ni-release ko, ang daling patugtugin sa mga DJ dahil bida sila eh.
What I did, was it cute, diba? It was cute. Call us to for entertainment over IVC13 with my Tita Helen.
Really, I said, it has to be her with me.
I did not know how to go.
We got to sing songs together. Talagang magaling siyang kumanta.
And I was given my own sitcom, which was called Okay Siya. I really enjoyed it so much. Because I loved being with sila Tita Silvia La Torre, sila Ading Fernando, Tony Carrion, Yayo Aguila. Aside from Germ Side and Germ Special, tapos GMA Super Show, napahaba ng pahaba. Enjoy kami doon.
Alternate kami, tapos of course on special occasions, sabay-sabay kami. That was how I met Sharon.
Ando doon yung kanyang interest talaga, yung kanyang sipag, yung pagmamahal niya sa trabaho. Nangailangan kami ng endorser para sa